Hello students, now we are solving question number 5th and part 5th. Okay, in this question we have to prove cos A minus sin A plus 1 upon cos A plus sin A minus 1 is equal to cosec A plus cot A. Students, cosec A plus cot A ये हमको लेके आना है. Okay, and here we have given in the left hand side cos A minus sin A plus 1 and cos A plus sin A minus 1. So we have to convert it into cosec and cot. How we convert? See, if we divide cos A by sin A, or I am saying if we divide numerator and denominator by sin A, so what will happen? Cos A upon sin A, that is cot A, sin A upon sin A, that is 1, and 1 upon sin A, that is cosec A. मतलब हमने इस एक्सप्रेशन को कोसेक और कॉट में कन्वर्ट कर देंगे. ओके, सो वी विल राइट हियर डिवाइडिंग, और वी से LHS, डिवाइडिंग न्यूमरेटर एंड डिनोमिनेटर बाय साइन ए. सो व्हाट वी गेट? कॉस ए अपॉन sin A minus sin A upon sin A plus 1 upon sin A whole upon cos A upon sin A plus sin A upon sin A minus 1 upon sin A. Clear? So after doing this, what will happen? Cos A upon sin A convert into cot A, sin A upon sin A, that is minus 1, and here plus cosec A upon same thing cot A plus 1 minus cosec A. Okay, now see, we are doing LHS, so I am rubbing this. In the next step, we can write it as cot A plus cosec A minus 1 upon cot A plus A minus cosec A plus 1. Clear? Now, students, we have identity that cosec square A is equal to 1 plus cot square A. Clear? So from here we can write cosec square A minus cot square A is equal to 1. We can write, so in place of this 1 we can write cosec square A minus cot square A. Okay, so we will write here cot A plus cosec A minus cosec square A minus cot square A here, and whole upon 1 plus cot A minus cosec A. समझ आ रहा है? ओके, नाउ here again we are seeing that a square minus b square, this bracket is in the form of a square minus b square, so we can write a plus b, a minus b. Okay, cot A plus cosec A, here you can write cot square A plus 1 is equal to cosec square A. Clear? Now cot A plus cosec A minus cosec A plus cot A and cosec A minus cot A whole upon 1 plus cot A minus cosec A. Clear? Don't get confused. Cot A plus cosec A, and here also cot A plus cosec A. We can take common. So we will have cot A plus cosec A common, and what is remaining inside? This here 1 minus cosec A minus cot A whole upon 1 plus cot A minus cosec A. Clear? Now here, after opening the bracket, we will write 1 plus cot A minus cosec A. Okay, so we can write here cot A plus cosec A in the first bracket, and in the second bracket 1 plus cot A minus cosec A whole upon 1 plus cot A minus cosec A. This bracket and this bracket will cancel out from numerator and denominator. So what we have? Cot A plus cosec A is equal to RHS, hence proved. So students, don't get confused. You can solve these questions by yourself also. So pause the video to be noted down.